Most people don't stay broke because of bad luck. They stay broke because of bad habits. The truth is, wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you already have. In this video, we'll break down 7 money habits that silently keep millions of Americans stuck in financial struggle, and how you can break free starting today. Welcome to the Capital Grid, where we turn financial confusion into confidence. The #1 habit that keeps people broke? Not tracking their money. If you don't know where your money goes, it will disappear, guaranteed. A simple budget isn't about restriction. It's about awareness. Apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy to see every dollar. Remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. You get a raise, and instead of saving more, you spend more. That's lifestyle creep. The result? Your expenses rise as fast as your income. The wealthy do the opposite. When their income grows, their savings rate grows too. Learn to upgrade your investments, not your lifestyle. Credit cards aren't the enemy. High-interest debt is. The average American pays over $1,200 a year just in credit card interest. That's free money to the banks and lost opportunity for you. If you can't pay it off in full each month, you can't afford it. It's just $5. But $5 a day adds up to $1,800 a year. Small leaks sink big ships. Audit your spending for 1 week. You'll be shocked how many tiny expenses eat your goals alive. Waiting to invest until you make more money is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Even $50 a month can grow into thousands through the power of compound interest. Time is your greatest asset, not your salary. Comparing your finances to someone else's is a losing game. What you see online is spending, not wealth. True financial freedom is quiet. It's the absence of stress, not the presence of luxury. The biggest difference between the rich and the broke isn't money, it's mindset. The wealthy study money the way athletes study their sport. Read, learn, and stay curious. The more you understand, the harder it is for anyone to take advantage of you. If you recognize yourself in any of these habits, that's a good thing. Awareness is the first step toward change. Start fixing one habit at a time, and your future self will thank you. This is the Capital Grid, helping you grow smarter with every dollar. Hit subscribe, and let's build your financial freedom together.